Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Tesla hood won't open. So it's very easy. What you need to do, you don't even need power for this. You need to just locate an external voltage, low voltage power supply, such as a portable jump starter. And then you just release the tow eye cover by pressing firmly on the top right perimeter. Right here. Firmly press and you can release it out. So you want to do this until it pivots inward, and then you gently pull the raised section towards you. Then what you do is pull both these wires out of the tow eye opening to expose both of these terminals. Okay, these terminals right here. And then what you do is you connect the low voltage power supply's red positive plus cable to the red positive plus terminal. And then you do the same thing with the low voltage power supply's black negative cable to the black negative terminal. And then you just turn on the external power supply. And then what happens, the hood latches are immediately released and you can now open the hood to access the front trunk area. And then you just disconnect both the cables. You begin with the black one though. And then you go ahead and do that. Really that easy and simple. That should fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.